What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about the DJI Mavic Air. So I'm on vacation in British Columbia, and I figured there's probably not a better place in the entire world to do a review on a drone. Sorry, I'm like super out of breath. Who would have thunk that vlogging and snowshoeing would be difficult? But yeah, I'm just so stoked to try this drone out. I am a little bit skeptical because of its size, but I've seen really good reviews. A lot of big YouTubers love it. Here's the unboxing. So I'm gonna put it to its test and then just talk about my experiences. By far, my favorite feature of this thing is not the size, is not the quality, but the combination of the two. So there's been drones out there with good quality. The DJI Spark is tiny, but the quality's not there. This, in my opinion, has been the first drone that's truly tiny. And the Mavic Pro is small, but this is tiny. And that is your entire package right there. Drone and controller. I also love these little twist off joysticks. I can just kind of shove it in my backpack a lot easier, which is the whole point of this thing, being really small. So, big fan of that. The fact that I can just pull this drone out of my backpack and it'll shoot 4K and 1080 all the way up to 120 FPS slow motion is insane. It's actually pretty windy out here, but it's holding its position really well. This thing's totally stable for how tiny it is. So far, I've been really impressed with this. I've been having issues getting enough signal for full GPS flight mode on the Mavic Air. I've been pretty consistently getting around 4 to 7 bars of signal, whereas my old Phantom Pro, I'd get about 15. And I don't think it's just the area we're in, because I saw a guy flying a Phantom Pro yesterday, and he had about 15 bars of signal. I keep having to fly in ADI mode, which I'm not very good at. It's kind of scary. So I'm not sure if that's an issue with my individual Mavic Air, or if this is a thing with all of them, but it's kind of scary. Super weak GPS right now. It's kind of scary. At this point, I had almost no control over the drone because of the lack of GPS. It was a little scary, but since the obstacle avoidance on the Mavic Air is so good, I was able to turn it around and safely land. To catch it with your hand, you have to turn off the obstacle avoidance mode, which took me a while to figure out. It kept kind of going up above my hand there, not wanting to land, but we got it. I love how well the Mavic Air footage matches with my GH5 footage. If you're looking to match this footage with a DSLR, then you're going to love the Mavic Air. But if you shoot with a higher end cinema camera, then I'd probably recommend going with something of higher quality like the Inspire. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the little hole where you plug your phone into, there's like a little bracket on there that it's supposed to go into, and it's already like come loose. Leave in the comments below if you've had this issue yourself, or if this is a problem with my particular Mavic Air. Guys, I cannot tell you how sick this drone is. I would never have been able to bring my Phantom 3 Pro, the full backpack, the controller and everything in this backpack with all my camera gear. I have 4 lenses, 1 body, jackets, water bottles, all that good stuff for hiking and shooting out here, but all of that with the Mavic Air. I can't say this drone doesn't have its little quirks, but For being the size it is, I think the pros really outweigh the cons for me. So far I've been loving this thing, minus the few little weird things I've had happen, but I'm stoked.
What's up guys? So I'm back in Northern California and I just wanted to say that I think every serious filmmaker should have a Mavic Air in their kit. Even if you mainly shoot high-end films with more expensive drones, I think having a Mavic Air tucked away in your kit would not hurt just because it's so small and the quality is good enough for a backup. Or if you're someone like me who shoots travel and adventure films and can only carry so much on their back, I think the Mavic Air is all the quality I would ever need for the type of filming that I do. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is able to kind of guide you in the direction of whether the Mavic Air is going to be a good drone for you or not. If you have any questions, just leave them in the description and I'll do my best to get back to you. See you guys in the next one.